Today, I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect black bean sweet soup. Fast, soft, and without the beans falling apart. If you've ever cooked black beans and they stay hard no matter how long you boil them, or they turn mushy the moment they soften, this video is for you. Start by selecting fresh, newly harvested black beans. Fresh beans have softer skins, which helps them cook much faster. Soak the beans in warm water at around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can add a pinch of salt or a tiny bit of baking soda to help the skins soften more quickly. But be careful. Too much baking soda will make the beans break apart. As the beans cook, keep the pot at a gentle simmer. When the water level gets low, don't add hot water. Instead, pour in a bowl of cold water. This sudden temperature change causes the bean skins to contract slightly, creating tiny micro cracks that help water penetrate faster. This makes the beans soften quickly while still keeping their shape. Hard water slows down the softening process because minerals like calcium and magnesium toughen the bean skins. Use filtered water or boiled and cooled water to help the beans cook evenly and taste cleaner. Never add sugar while the beans are still firm. Sugar draws moisture out of the beans and makes them tighten up, causing them to stay hard. Instead, cook the beans until they are fully tender. Then drain some of the cooking water, add sugar, and simmer the beans gently so the sweetness can absorb into each bean. After that, pour the cooking water back into the pot and bring it to a light boil. This keeps the beans whole, glossy, and deliciously creamy. And that's it. With just a few simple techniques, soaking, cold water shock, using the right water, and adding sugar at the right time, your black bean sweet soup will come out soft, fragrant, and perfect every time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cooking tips and delicious recipes from around the world. Thanks for watching.